प्रैक्टिकल साइंस में। तो आज हम थ्री फेज एसी मशीन के यानी थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मशीन के कुछ जेबी गुप्ता के ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स आपको दिखाएंगे, ऐसे शॉर्ट नोट्स दिखाएंगे जो आपके जेई लेवल के एग्जाम के लिए कितने इंपॉर्टेंट है। और आपको पता ही है कि जेई लेवल के एग्जाम के लिए जेबी गुप्ता के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, उसके क्वेश्चंस है, कितने इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। If all the stator coils of an induction machine are connected for the same magnetic polarity, there will be formed an equal number of consequent poles with opposite polarity. Okay. Second point, induction machine normally use a die-cast aluminum rotor because aluminum is easy to cast owing to its low melting point and easily available. Okay. Third point, in an induction machine, if air gap is increased, the PF will reduce, its breakdown torque will reduce. Okay. Fourth point, leakage flux in induction machine is that flux that links the stator winding or the rotor winding but not both. Okay. Fifth point, skewing of rotor in a three-phase squirrel cage induction machine reduces noise, parasitic torque, starting torque and pull-out torque. Okay. Sixth point, the relative speed between stator and rotor flux is equal to 0. The seventh point, the MMF produced by the rotor current of a three-phase induction machine is at standstill with respect to stator MMF. Okay. Eighth point, in a slip ring induction machine, the frequency of rotor current can be measured with DC moving coil millivoltmeter. Okay. Ninth point, in an induction machine, the phasor reactance is quite high in comparison to phase resistance. Okay. 10th point, in an induction motor for fixed speed at constant frequency, line current is proportional to voltage and torque is proportional to the square of the voltage. Okay. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो इसको लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए अपने टेक्निकल दोस्तों के साथ और अपने टेक्निकल ग्रुप्स में, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको ऐसी आने वाली और भी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं। 11th पॉइंट, ब्रेक डाउन टॉर्क ऑफ अ थ्री फेज इंडक्शन मशीन ऑफ नेग्लिजिबल स्टेटर इंपेडेंस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द रोटर लीकेज रिएक्टेंस। ओके। 12th point, in a three-phase induction machine, the torque developed is maximum when the rotor circuit resistance per phase is equal to slip time, the rotor leakage reactance per phase at standstill. Okay. 13th point, stable operation of an induction machine between zero slip and slip corresponding to maximum torque. Okay. 14th point, in a three-phase induction machine, iron loss mainly occurs in stator core and stator teeth. Okay, I repeat it again. In a three-phase induction machine, iron loss mainly occurs in stator core and stator teeth. Okay. In an induction machine, what is the ratio of rotor copper loss and rotor input as? 16th point, for an induction machine operating at slip S, the ratio of gross power output to air power gap power is equal to 1 minus S. Okay. 17th point, if the load on an induction machine is increased from no load to full load, okay, its slip and PF will be increase and increase. Okay. I repeat it again. If the load on an induction machine is increased from no load to full load, its slip and PF will be increase and increase. Okay. 18th point, the PF of a lightly loaded induction machine is quite low because the current drawn is largely magnetized due to air gap. Okay. 19th point, in a three-phase induction machine, when the load is increased from the light load, stator PF increases but the rotor PF decreases. Okay. 20th point, open circuit test is usually conducted on either slip ring or wound rotor. 21st point, what is the shunt resistance component equivalent circuit obtained by no load test of an induction motor representative of core, windage and frictional loss? Okay. 22nd point, short circuit test is performed on an induction machine to determine short circuit current under rated voltage. Okay. हमारा B point, equivalent resistance and reactance. C point, transformation ratio. D point, power factor on SC. Okay. 23rd point, circle diagram is employed to determine the performance of an induction machine. 24th point, the power scale of circle diagram of an induction machine is determined from short circuit test only. Okay. 25th point, zero sequence impedance of a three-phase induction motor is due to rotor circuit third time harmonics. Okay. 26th point, the crawling in the induction machine is caused by harmonics developed in motor. 27th point, the cogging occurs in induction machine due to harmonic synchronous torque. 28th point, cog in induction machine occurs when a number of stator teeth minus number of rotor teeth is equal to even number, और second यानी कि number of stator teeth minus number of rotor teeth is equal to 0. Next, 29th point, cogging and crawling are phenomena associated with squirrel cage induction machine, the former during started and the later at the fraction of its speed. 30th point, semi-closed or totally closed slots are used in the induction machine to reduce magnetic current and improve power factor. 31 point, in an induction machine it is usually a standard practice to employ integral slots with corded coils. 32 point, the outer cage of a double squirrel cage rotor consists of manganese bars. 33 point, in double cage induction motor the inner cage has low resistance and high leakage reactance. 34th point, in a squirrel cage induction motor the resistance of upper cage is 4 to 5 times of that inner cage. 35th point, unbalanced supply voltage given to a 3-phase delta connected induction motor will cause negative sequence component current. Okay. 36th point, single phase preventer provides protection in the event of non-availability of one of the phases. Okay. 37th point, the starting torque of an induction motor varies as 1 upon f square. 38th point, with the increase in supply frequency dash decrease. I repeat it again, with the increase in supply frequency dash decrease starting and full load current and the starting and maximum running torque. Okay. 39th point, with DOL starter of an induction motor the heating during acceleration of inertia load is proportional to electromagnetic power developed on rotor. इस वीडियो की पीडीएफ मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक पे दे दी है, आप वहां पर जाके डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और आप बार बार इस वीडियो को देख कर रिवाइज कर सकते हैं जिससे कि आपकी बहुत हेल्प हो सकती है एग्जाम के लिए. ओके. 40th point, a 3-phase induction motor fed from a 3-phase voltage regulator is suitable for driving load whose torque is directly proportional to the square of the speed. 41st point, in an AC motor control V by F is kept constant to make maximum use of the magnetic circuit. 42 point, consequent pole technique employed for speed control of induction motor involves changing of the number of poles. Okay. 43 point, slip changing method of speed control can be used in case of slip ring induction motors only. Okay. 44th point, when will a slip ring induction motor run at synchronous speed if an EMF is injected in the rotor circuit in phase with the rotor induced EMF. Okay. 45th point, the induction motor has lagging power factor during both starting and operation. 46th point, during plugging of induction motor phase sequence is reversed. Okay. 47th point, armature short circuits can be detected by and identified by growler bar to bar और हमारा C point voltage drop. Okay. 48th point, a 3-phase induction machine run at synchronous speed for self excitation of the machine dash यानी कि draws reactive power from the mains. 49th point, the rotor of an induction motor always revolves in the direction of stator flux. Okay. 50th point, हमारा last point, advantages of wound rotor motor over squirrel cage motor. Advantages of wound rotor motor over squirrel cage motor: A, high starting torque and low starting current. B, smooth acceleration under heavy load. C, no abnormal heating during starting. D, good running characteristics of a rotor, resistance is cut out. E, adjusting speed. और ये रहा हमारे वीडियो का क्वेश्चन जिसका आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में डालेंगे और हम उसका रिप्लाई देंगे. ओके. इन एन इंडक्शन मोटर इफ एयर गैप इज इंक्रीज इट्स A point, speed will reduce. B point, PF will decrease. C point, efficiency will improve. D point, speed will increase. इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है और इस वीडियो को बार बार देखिए जिससे आपका जितने भी आपके जो इलेक्ट्रिकल का नॉलेज है वो बढ़े और रिवीजन होता रहे जो आपका एग्जाम में बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.